One batch of an ice cream recipe uses 9 cups of milk. A chef makes different amounts of ice cream on different days. Here are the amounts of milk she used. On Monday, she used 12 cups. Tuesday, she used 22.5 cups. On Thursday, she used 6 cups. And on Friday, she used 7.5 cups. How many batches of ice cream did she make on each of the following days? Write a division equation and draw a tape diagram for the question about each day. Then answer the question. So on Monday, she used 12 cups. And we need to figure out how many batches of ice cream did she make. So we know from the information above that one batch is 9 cups of milk. On Monday, she used 12 cups. So we know, since 12 is larger than 9, she made more than one batch. We need to figure out how many batches is that. So let's start with the tape diagram. She used 12 cups of milk. So I'm going to say that each of these little boxes, each one box represents 1 cup. So I'm going to show 12 cups that she used on Monday. So I'm going to put 12 boxes. So here's all 12 cups. Now we know that one batch is 9 cups of milk. So if I count off 9 of these boxes, one batch would be this much. That's 9 cups, which is the same as one batch. Now she actually used 12 cups. So we need to figure out, for this part that's more than one batch, how much of a batch is that? Well, since each one of these boxes represents a cup, and I have 3 of them, this leftover bit is representative of 3 cups. One batch is 9 cups. I have 3 cups more than that. So how much of a batch is 3 cups? We can compare this 3 cups back to the 9, because we know 9 cups is one whole batch. So if I look at my 9 cups, I can see that it takes 3 sets of 3 cups to make 9 cups. So 3 cups is a third of 9 cups, which means 3 cups is 1/3 of a batch. So if she used 12 cups total, she did 1 whole batch and a third of a batch more. So to answer the question, we know the chef made 1 1/3 of a batch on Monday. Now we're also supposed to write a division equation for this. So on Monday, we made a total of 12 cups. And we know that 9 cups are in one batch. So if we take the 12 cups that we used, divided by 9 cups per batch, we can get the number of batches that we made, which we know from the diagram is 1 1/3. So my division equation is 12 divided by 9 equals 1 1/3. I'll let you do Tuesday on your own. Let's take a look at the next part and do Thursday together. So it says, what fraction of a batch of ice cream did she make on each of the following days? Write a division equation and draw a tape diagram for the question about each day. Then answer the question. So if we go back to the information at the top, we know that on Thursday, she used 6 cups of milk. Again, 1 whole batch is 9 cups of milk. So we can already tell that since 6 is less than 9, she made less than one whole batch. But we need to figure out how much of a batch did she make. So I'm going to take this information, 6 cups, and begin drawing my tape diagram. So just like in the previous one, I'm going to have each one of these boxes represent 1 cup of milk. And I'm going to show the 6 cups in my tape diagram. So there's my 6 cups. Now I know that 1 whole batch is actually 9 cups. So that would be 3 cups beyond the 6 cups that she actually used. So here, this entire bar would represent 9 cups of milk, which would be 1 whole batch. But we want to know if we have 6 cups, how much of a batch is that? So just by looking at this 9 cups compared to the 6 cups, do you see how the 6 cups takes up 2/3 of the 9 cups? So this 6 cups would actually be 2/3 of a batch. So on Thursday, the chef makes 2/3 of a batch of ice cream. Now let's write our division equation. So on Thursday, the chef started with a total of 6 cups. And we know that it takes 9 cups of milk to make 1 whole batch. So if I do the 6 cups of milk that we used divided by 9 cups of milk per batch, we'll get the number of batches that the chef made. From our tape diagram, we can see that the answer is 2/3. So our division equation is 6 divided by 9 equals 2/3.